Good morning, everybody. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady. Today I'm working in this journal. This is one of my first journals, and it's just about full. I've taken a lot of pages out, but I think I might end up taking a few more out. There's probably about 12 pages left, and I kind of want to just finish this one and get busy with my new ones. I have 2 or 3 new notebooks I want to try out, and anyway, I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And today I'm trying something new because my husband is putting a new floor in our dining room and it's going to be noisy. So I'm going to just do my spread. I'm just going to do my layout with music, and let's see how you like that. Let's see. Yeah. This is what I got going on so far. Right, my husband just went out for something, and I thought I would show you my finished farming page, my hobby farm page. So as you saw, I messed up over here because I covered up the poor cow's face, and I didn't want that. So I ended up putting in a pumpkin patch there instead, and then I added some words and some little fussy cuts. Not too many. Here's a little donkey. He's kind of hard to see. But anyway, that's it for this layout. I've discovered I would rather have spiral bound notebooks than copybooks. They're easier to use. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye-bye.